In this video, I'm going to show you 5 simple ways to make your hands look younger. Hey there, my name is Sasha, and in this video, I'm going to show you 5 simple ways to make your hands look younger. Now, I know that a lot of people are self-conscious about their hands because they start to age faster than the rest of their body. But don't worry, because these methods are really easy and affordable and can be done right at home with no need for expensive procedures or surgery. So stay tuned and I'll show you how it's done. But before we get started, please take a moment to smash the subscribe button to help us in our quest to reach 2,000 subscribers. Do your hands look older than you'd like? Don't worry, there are some simple things you can do to help make your hands look younger. Here are 5 tips for making your hands look younger. Sun protection. One of the main culprits of aging skin is sun exposure. This means wearing sunscreen on your hands whenever you're in direct sunlight and keeping them covered with clothing or gloves when possible. Sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher should protect your hands from UV rays and keep them looking young. Exfoliate and moisturize. Regular exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells, while moisturizing helps keep skin hydrated, both of which will make your hands look younger and smoother. Use a scrub made of natural ingredients such as sugar, honey, olive oil, etc. at least once a week to scrub away dead skin cells, and then follow up with a good hand cream to lock in moisture afterwards. Massage. Massaging your hands regularly can help boost circulation, improve blood flow, and stimulate collagen production, all of which are helpful for making them look more youthful. Gently massage your hands for 10 minutes each day using essential oils such as coconut oil or jojoba oil to increase their efficacy. Avoid certain habits. Bad habits, such as smoking and drinking, can lead to premature aging, so it's important to avoid these if you want youthful-looking skin. Also try to limit activities such as dishwashing, gardening, or any other activity that requires too much contact with water, since too much moisture can worsen aging signs over time. Eat well. Eating healthy foods that are high in antioxidants and vitamins can help effectively reduce wrinkles. Antioxidants like vitamin C work to fight free radicals, while vitamins A, B, E provide nourishment for healthy cell growth and regeneration. Incorporating fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds into your diet will give you the necessary nutrients for keeping your skin looking young. With these 5 simple steps, you should be able to keep those hands looking young. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to help us reach 2,000 subscribers, and then watch this video to the left of your screen.